Assalamualaikum dear viewers, I'm Jarir Khan. Today I'm going to show you my some of ocean animals collections. Guys, like, share and subscribe if you enjoy, and of course comment. Let's start this by this pack. Here are some attractive ocean animals. Here is a dolphin. This one is very attractive and cute. Here is the Warlus. This one is very big. Here is a jellyfish. This one is also very attractive. Behaviour. Here is Sawfish. Here is a fish. Two whales are here. This one is sperm whale. This one is another whale. Here are some ocean plants. Here is another. This one is very attractive. Here is another. Here are 4 sharks. Here is a treasure shark. Hammerhead shark. Here are another sharks. Thank you guys. See you around. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.